supercar tonight.
First time back since the rebuild.
The second rebuild. It's the Hunt the Front Super Dirt Series tonight. So all those guys are here.
It's going to be interesting.
I know, I'm a little nervous.
I just want to make this qualifying out.
Yeah.
Make the race.
Yeah.
And go home with a complete car.
Please, Lord. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging with us. I know we've not raced much lately, but we appreciate your support. And remember, you can get our t-shirts at rayclayoval.com. And as always, subscribe, like, comment.
And we'll be at Tri-County Monday.
Yes.
Barring everything goes good tonight.
All right, as y'all can see, she's back together. Thank goodness. Let's hope she stays that way tonight. We got a crew with us. Why don't you say hey to everybody? This is the trouble crew in here. Horrible. We're going to go ahead and warm them up.
Has run around the Lavonia Speedway area for quite some time. That is Caleb Robinson. Caleb Robinson in the 12 car. I believe it's supposed to be the
They said he was 14th fastest in those hot laps. I think there's 19 or 20 cars, so we got some work to do. Let me know what y'all think about the new wrap, how it looks on the track. Galen said the car was really loose in hot laps, so they're gonna work on that. Looks like they're gonna change a gear.
Zach Mitchell still holding it down on the top of the charts at 15.877. Joseph Joyner, Josh Bowman to round out your top three at the moment. And again, we keep talking about it, heat racing. That will change things, but you like to be at the beginning of those heat races.
Working on tire. All these guys are working hard on adjustments and such. We're 15th out of 17th. Then we got to run some heat races. Definitely not happy with where we're at, but we're working on it. It's been a while since this one's been on the track, so gonna get loaded up for heat race. We've had to be quick tonight. They don't play around. We hadn't had much time.
Florence, Alabama in the Zippy's Autos 212. It's Josh Putnam. Outside of him in the Coleman Farms Racing 187 out of Franklin, North Carolina, it's David McCoy. The Mills Concrete 14 car of St. Augustine, Florida's Trey Mills starts inside row number 2 with the other Coleman Farms Racing car, the 1C of Kenny Collins starting alongside. And Galen Robinson out of Cleveland, Georgia has the 12 car starting inside of row number 3. Benji Hicks of Mount Airy, North Carolina after the crash in hot laps disqualifying, and it's not going to make the call here for the heat race, but should be able to tag the tail of the feature here tonight with 18 cars signed in our 50-lap feature.
Going to need you in the staging lane. Limited late model qualifying is right up next. You're running for $2,000 tonight. Need those cars in the staging lane.
Josh Putnam and McCoy and Collins both in the field. We got a lot of laps around here. We got Josh Putnam on the poles who's never been here before. This is the type of racetrack that Josh likes. It's high speed, right now, get it down. Josh likes these type of racetracks. They can be the first car on the poles and win the race into turn 1.
We'll surely find out next time by. They'll be looking for the green flag. And also, folks, you see that 14 machine, Mr. Trey Mills, ask yourself, what were you doing at 15 years old? Because it probably wasn't driving a super late model.
I wasn't driving a 2,300-pound race car that runs as fast as these cars can do, for sure. So Josh Putnam in the 212, David in the 187. So here, the action here on the front row. On turn 3 and 4, they're track 18.
We finished last in the third heat, so 5th in the third heat. So we'll start in the back. We're gonna make some adjustments before the main, and then make some laps. I think we're finishing up adjustments. Bryn's putting some gas in it. Or fuel, gas, whatever you want to call it. Randy and Jason's just chilling. Alright, getting ready for the main. About to let her down and see what we can do.
Stretch your legs, get ready to look at the Front Super Dirt Series in 4 wide formation. Up on the back straight away. Lift your hands, make some noise. Flash your lights on your cell phones, whatever you want to do. Let these drivers know that you appreciate them coming out. On the front straight away, they're going to come off the turn number 4. They're going to see this monstrous crowd of the Front Super Dirt Series competitors ready here. Make some noise, wave at them, and let them know you appreciate them coming from 5 different states to put on the show here in Lavonia, Georgia.
As you can tell, I didn't do a closing at the shop at the track. We got busy once the race was over, and so we're back at the shop getting it ready for Tri-County Monday. You know, we knew we would not probably be competitive at Lavonia because it was the first time back after our second rebuild. So, you know, we wanted to shake things down, make sure the car was going to stay together. Lots of stuff was replaced on it. So, engine did well. Car did really well. Just got everything held together. So, we're going to go Monday, Labor Day, to Tri-County and, you know, see if we can do a little bit better. But thanks for watching. I got to meet a bunch of you guys Friday night at Lavonia. Thanks for coming up and speaking, letting us know that you watch us. We appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great Labor Day, and hopefully we'll see you at Tri-County. Take care.